Hello friends, here you can see there are different state, different constituencies, parties and votes. I need to calculate here the maximum vote for the two constituency Noida and Dholera. So here I'm going to use the Topn functionality. Let's do that. So first of all, I will calculate the distinct count of the constituencies because in other table, in any other functionalities, there will be many more constituency. There may be more than two constituencies. So to do that, first I will calculate a measure. So new measure here count of constituency equal to distinct count constituency. And now I will use a table tool, that is top n. So max votes equal to top n. Here for the n value, I am going to use the count of constituency measure, comma. This will be party for table 2 or table. Here it will be votes, descending. So this is the top two votes for two constituencies. Thank you.